Okay, so here we are again, second video for the day. Normally I would have you memorize all of these prefixes, but since we are heading toward Coronaville, or in the middle of Corona, this information is in your CRT right here at table P. Gives you all of them. So I can't stop you from using it, I guess. Okay, so let's do some practicing of them. Okay, so we're going to start with alkanes because those are the easiest ones. And let's build. So let's start with propane. The ane indicates that it is an alkane, and alkanes have carbons that are completely saturated with hydrogens. But I have to know what the PRO means. PROP. So prop is 3. I'm going to start with 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3. Make sure when you write these that you have 4 lines around each one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, I could put the hydrogens around them if I wanted to. Certainly doesn't make it wrong. So there's your structural formula for propane. If we did a condensed formula, this is how I do a condensed formula. I start from left and I go right. So I've got C, and how many hydrogens are attached to it? 1, 2, 3. Then I go to the next carbon. 2 of them are attached to that carbon. And then my third carbon, I've got 1, 2, 3 around that. So there's my condensed formula for propane. And might as well introduce the skeletal structure. Skeletal structure is basically just the lines, and each point, including the ends, represents a carbon. So I've got 1, 2, 3, so when I draw these, as soon as I put my pen or pencil to the paper, I count 1. 1, 2, 3. That's propane as far as the skeletal structure goes. Okay? Let's make it even simpler. Let's do methane. Methane. Let's see what meth is, because I don't have these memorized yet. Meth is 1. It's only 1 carbon. Methane, as you know, is a product of mammals and birds. Chickens produce a lot of methane, and it is a flammable gas. You produce it as well. So 1 carbon, 4 hydrogens, and its condensed formula is CH4. And I've never seen anything as a skeletal structure. There probably isn't one, since it's only 1 carbon. I don't know if you just put a dot or what, but we don't have to worry about the skeletal for that one. Okay, good so far? All right, let's go up the chain. I'm going to put these in the same spot. You can put them down below. Let's try pentane. Pent, you know, means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill it in. Here's pentane. It's condensed formula. Now sometimes you'll see, if it's a really long one, you'll see these shown like this. I'll show you the first way. 1, 2 hydrogens, 1, 2 for that one. 2 hydrogens for that one. 2 hydrogens for that one, and 3 hydrogens for that one. So there's the condensed formula. Sometimes you'll see it like this. 1, 2, 3 of them. So this still indicates that there are 3 carbons in the middle. So we still have 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a different way you might see a condensed formula. And then the skeletal structure, there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Let's try butane. Did we do butane? Actually, let's stop there. Let's stop there. Go back to this. I have changed the homework to Regents Review Book questions 197, 198 evens only. Okay, so those are going to be due on Monday. All right, so try those out. It's going to get a little bit more complicated when we start looking at all the branches going on, but it makes it more fun too. All right, titration lab again due next Wednesday. All right, have a good weekend.